right, look what I got here. Love the Suburbans. 53 Carryall Suburban. Thing is a full frame off build. Basically everything new on it, top to bottom. It's got a 350 motor, $700 trans. It's got Mustang 2 front suspension. Really very nice. Really has about everything except AC. No AC. It does have heat, wipers, everything's radio. Just has the 2 buckets up front. Obviously you can put another seat in there. All new glass, all new wiring, all new fuel system, all new brake system.